In the today's video, we will show you how to create moving text and video animation in PowerPoint. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go to Shape Fill, select Color, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl Shift, take it to downside. Go back to Insert, select Text Box. Write Paris here. Select Center your content. Change the font color. Change the font. Make it bold. Increase font size. Go to Format, Align Middle. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate it. Then align center. Select above shape. Select text box. Select subtract from merge shape. Select below shape and select text box. Select subtract from merge shape. Select this. Go to animation. Select flyout. Go to effect option. Select to top. Increase duration also. Click on animation painter. Apply on this shape. Go to effect option. Select bottom. Also select with previous. Go back to insert. Go to video. I have downloaded a video from Pixabay website. Select it and insert it. Right click and send to back. Click on slideshow and see. So see friends how our text is moving and video also playing in background. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.